Hello viewers, I am D. Asir, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Kamaraj College of Engineering and Technology. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the concept of file handling in Python. We will cover the file handling basics, file modes, opening and closing files, reading files, and an example program. So first of all, what is meant by file handling? So file handling is a process of working with files to store and retrieve data. In real-time applications, data is stored permanently in files. So programs read input from files, the output is written into the file. Python provides the basic and built-in functions to perform these operations. So the types of files in Python, so the major type is first one text file, second one binary file. Text file, so data stored in human readable format, example notes and logs. Binary file, so the data stored in binary format, non-human, non-readable file. So next, we are going to open a file. So for open a file, we have a syntax open of file name comma mode. So the first parameter is file name, so the second parameter is the mode of operation. So the example open of data.txt comma r, data.txt is a file name, so r is a mode, file mode. So these are all the list of file modes present in Python programming. So first one r, so r means opens a file for reading only, r plus opens a file for both reading and writing, rb opens a file for reading only in binary format, w opens a file for writing only, w plus opens a file for both writing and reading, wb opens a file for write only in binary format, wb plus opens a file for both reading and writing in binary format. So like that, so a opens a file for append operation, a plus opens a file for both appending and reading, ab opens a file for appending in binary format, ab plus opens a file for both appending and reading in binary format. So after completing the file operations, we must close the file. So using the function close off, we are having the alternative way. So use with open of this statement, it's automatically close the file. So Python provides three methods for reading the files. First one read off, so it read entire content. Read line off, so it reads line by line. Read lines, it read all lines. So example program, so we are going to count the vowels, consonants, digits, space from a text file. So we are going to open a text file. From the text file content, so we are going to count the value, how many number of vowels, consonants, digits, space are present. Now I will demonstrate the program using Python IDLE. First I open the Python IDLE. Then I go to file, new file to write a program. Step 1, with open off, I already created the text file, so sample.txt. So the file content is hello world 123. I am going to use that file. With open of first parameter file name, second parameter mode of operation, in this line I am opening the file named sample.txt in read mode. I am using the with open statement which automatically close the file after execution. Step 2, here I am reading the entire content of the file and storing it in the variable called t. Now I initialize variables to count vowels, consonants, digits and space. Initially all values are set to 0. Here I define all vowels in both lower and uppercase for comparison. This loop will iterate through each character present in the file content. If the character is a vowel, I increase the variable v by 1. Next, if the character is an alphabet but not a vowel, then it is a consonant. So I increment c by 1. If the character is a number, I increment the d value by 1. If the character is a space or new line, I increment the space count. S equal to s plus 1. Finally, I print vowels, which is stored in the variable v. Next, I print consonants stored in the variable c. As well as I print the digits present in the file content stored in the variable d. So finally I print the total of vowels, consonants, digits and space. Now I save the file. And run the program using the run module. The output displays the count of vowels, consonants, digits and space based on the content present in the file. This is how we can use file handling in Python to read a file and analyze its contents. To conclude, in this video we discussed the concept of file handling in Python, including how to open, read and close files. We also demonstrated a program to read a text file and count the number of vowels, consonants, digits and space. This shows how Python can be effectively used to process and analyze file data in the simple and efficient way. Thank you.